Hi viewers, this is Ajay Kumar. Today we are going to learn some few topics in the zoology second year. As per the syllabus, today from unit 1, the human anatomy and physiology unit, as its subchapter we are going to discuss some few points about the digestion and absorption of unit 1a. Food is one of the basic requirements for all living organisms, as it provides energy for organic materials for growth and repair of tissues. So food is making important role in our daily life by giving us energy, and for using it is used to eat, and it is utilizing for our growth. Not only food, water, the water we drink plays an important role in metabolic process and also prevents dehydration from the body. It means that water is performing a major role in the metabolic process, which is preventing dehydration. So uh, food contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, nucleic acids, and etc. So uh, uh, vitamins and minerals and water can easily absorb into the cells directly, but whereas biomolecules of food such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats cannot absorb and utilized by our body in their original form. So for the digestion of these biomacromolecules of food such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, we need the digestion process for making to break down the biomolecules into simple substances for the simple absorption. So uh, for the di- uh, for the digestion of these, a system in our human being, we are learning from 8th class also, but in this second year we are going to learn somewhat briefly about the digestion in the human. As we know, from generally we know that our human digestive system has mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. But here we are going to learn some more concepts in the digestion. First of all, what does a digestion mean? The process of conversion of complex food substances into simple absorbable forms is called digestion. Note on this point, the process of conversion of complex complex food substances into simple absorbable forms is called digestion. Digestion is also called as alimentary tract or digestive tract. Digestion process contains alimentary canal and with its associated glands. Okay, before this we are going a small we need to know about one thing called hydrolysis. We need to know about this first of all before starting into the digestion process. Hydrolysis means the process of breakdowning of molecules. Okay, hydrolysis means the process of breakdowning of molecules in the presence of water into macro and micro biomolecules is called hydrolysis. Some molecules are present which easily break down in the presence of water into macro and micro biomolecules. This condition is called as hydrolysis. Now let's talk about we have a complete view about the hydrolysis and digestion right now. Now let us start what is the system and what the process is going on in the digestive system. Before that, we need to know some major parts in the major and minor parts in the digestive system. The digestive system of a man begins with the anterior opening, which is called as mouth, and the posterior opening, which is called as anus. From complete this digestive system starts with the mouth and ends with the anus. The parts in between mouth and anus are many, such as buccal cavity, here it is located, and next pharynx, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus, and many other parts are we are seeing right now. Write it over. They all combinedly together to perform digestion. Okay, now let's briefly discuss about the all parts in this digestion. First, we'll talk about the mouth. Generally, mouth is defined as it is an organ which is covered with two movable lips. What do we say? The organ which covered by two movable lips. Lips are called as labia. These mouth leads into the buccal cavity, or you can also say that oral cavity. Okay, what does this buccal cavity contain? The palate, which separates the ventral buccal cavity from the dorsal nasal chamber and facilitates chewing and breathing simultaneously. We found two types of palates in our mouth. As we see, the upper side